Hi, good morning. Today is April 14, 2021. All US troops will leave Afghanistan by September 11 and the withdrawal will start before May 1st, a deadline set in the US Taliban agreement signed last year. A senior administration official told reports we will begin an orderly drawdown of the remaining forces before May 1st and plan to have all US troops out of the country before the 20th anniversary of 9/11. The US still has some 2,500 troops in Afghanistan. At a hurriedly called virtual conference, the official also said that US President Joe Biden would formally announce the pull-out schedule today. The proposed schedule is seen as a midway between meeting the May 1st deadline set in the agreement US and Taliban negotiators finalized in Doha last February 2020 and completely ignoring it now. President Biden had said soon after entering the White House that it would be difficult to pull all the troops out by May 1st as required in the agreement. Policymakers in Washington hope that the decision to begin the withdrawal before May 1st would be seen by the Taliban as indicating the Biden administration's determination to respect the agreement signed by their predecessors. The official who briefed the media said the president had concluded that the best path forward to advance American interests is to end the war in Afghanistan after 20 years and address the global threat picture as it exists today, not as it was 2 decades ago. He said the objective behind sending troops to Afghanistan was to ensure that the country was not used as a safe haven for launching 9/11 like attacks on the United States and its allies. We believe we achieved that objective some years ago. We judged the threat against the homeland now emanating from Afghanistan to be at a level that we can address it without a persistent military footprint in the country and without remaining at war with the Taliban. The US and NATO officials had previously said the Taliban had failed to live up to commitments to reduce violence they made in the February 2020 agreement, and that was why the withdrawal was delayed. They also expressed the fear that a total US withdrawal could cause the collapse of Afghan government in Kabul. At Tuesday's briefing, the senior administration official said that the United States would remain deeply engaged with the government of Afghanistan and would also remain committed to the Afghan people who have made extraordinary sacrifice during this conflict. We will stand behind the diplomatic process and we will use our full toolkit to ensure the future that the Afghan people are seeking has the best chance of coming about. The official said the Taliban have also been warned not to attack withdrawing troops. We have told the Taliban in no uncertain terms that any attacks on US troops as we undergo a safe and orderly withdrawal will be met with a forceful response. At this point, we have discussed the withdrawdown with our NATO allies and operational partners. We will remain in lockstep with them as we undergo this operation. See you next time. Take care.